How many on your list?
8.
8?
Yes, how many on yours?
20.
You know, the doctor told you you've only got a few days.
Yes. Maybe we should only choose one wish, the most important.
That's a tough choice. Don't know which one I'd take.
Okay, here's what we do. I'll say a number off your wish list, you say one off mine.
Good. Who starts?
You do.
Right. You say you've written 20 down, so I pick number 1. I choose number 1.
Excellent, sir. Bingo. That's the Cadillac for my mother.
A Cadillac for your mother?
Yes. A Cadillac Fleetwood. Like the one Elvis gave to his mother. My mother is the greatest Elvis fan in the world. Years ago, I was sitting looking at television, together with my mother. And there it was on the screen. My mother had tears down her face. And I thought, one of these days I'm gonna get my mother a Cadillac. I never had the money, so it didn't happen.
I like it. That's a really good wish. Terrific. Okay, your turn. Take it away.
You had 8. Let's make it 7. No, I'll have 1, like you. 1, I'll say.
Can't you choose another number?
That's your wish. The first thing you want.
Yes, okay, it isn't as noble as a Cadillac for your mother, but